In this video, I'll show you how to redeem rewards in Microsoft Rewards step by step. First, go to the website, rewards.bing.com. Now log into your Microsoft account. After logging in, you will see the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Here you can see the number of points you currently have. Now find the Redeem option. Click Redeem to view the available rewards. Here you can exchange your points for different options. For example, Spotify subscriptions, Xbox credit, or Microsoft gift cards. You can also redeem points for games, services, or streaming subscriptions. The available rewards depend on the number of points you have. Another option is the Donate tab. In this section, you can donate your points to charity organizations. Select the reward you want and confirm the redemption.